Chapter 7 Chapter Probability. Topics to be covered: the basics of probability and calculating probability theoretically. The first one is basics of probability. Basics of probability. An experiment is a situation involving chance or probability that leads to result called outcomes. An event is one or more outcomes of an experiment. Probability of an event refers to likelihood of occurrence of that event. Next topic, calculating probability theoretically. Probability of event X happening is equal to total number of outcomes in which event X happens divided by the total number of possible outcomes. For example, tossing a coin. Here the total number of possible outcomes is one is head, another one is tail. There are two outcomes. The probability of event tail getting, how many times getting a tail? Okay, tossing a coin, tail 1 times, head 1 times, tail 2 times. Now probability of event tail happening is equal to, you are getting tail 2 times, so the total number of outcomes of the tail is 2. The total number of possible outcomes is 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. The next one is independent event. Two events are said to be independent if they cannot influence or affect each other. The next one is mutually exclusive event. Two events are said to be mutually exclusive if any of these events prevents the other from happening. Unrule. Let us calculate the probability of two events happening. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A, in which word means P of both A and B happening is equal to P of A happening into P of B happening, given that A has happened. If event A and B are independent, then the probability of is P of A intersection B is equal to P of A and into P of B. This is intersection. P of A intersection B. Next one is OR rule. There is a rule which let us calculate the probability that there either event A or B or happens both. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. In words, P either A or B or both happening is equal to P of A happening plus P of B happening minus P of both A and B happening. If event A and B are mutually exclusive, the probability is P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. The third term becomes 0. Here this term becomes 0. Exercise 7.1. A numbered cube has 6 sides. The sides have the numbers 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 5. If the cube has thrown once, what is the probability of rolling an even numbers? Solution. Total outcomes is equal to 6. The numbered cube has 6 sides, so the total outcomes is 6. Outcomes of even numbers. Here I am asking what is the probability of rolling an even numbers. So the outcomes of even numbers, the even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So 3. Outcomes of even numbers is 3. Now the probability of even number is equal to even number is equal to the number of outcomes. The number of outcomes is 3. Total number of outcomes. The possible outcomes is, the number of possible outcomes is 3. Total number of outcomes is 6. So 1 by 2 is the answer. 14th question. A bag contains 2 yellow marbles, 9 purple marbles, 18 green marbles, 10 blue marbles and 7 red marbles. What is the probability of pulling out a blue or red marbles? Solution. First write down the total number of outcomes. Total outcomes is 2 yellow marbles plus 9 purple marble plus 18 green marble plus 10 blue marbles plus 7 red marbles. Overall outcomes is 46. Now the question is, what is the probability of pulling blue or red? Here asking blue or red. So probability of blue or red using the OR rule, P of A, P of blue plus P of red. Here the total is 46. Blue marbles is overall 10 by 46. Red marbles is 7 by 46 is equal to 46, 10 plus 7, that is 17 by 46. This is the probability of blue or red marbles. 3rd question, 4th question, 8th question, 15th question and 17th question. These are the homework sums.